Welcome to the Greenway with Mac, a channel dedicated to active transportation. This video will show you a route to get from the end of the Deer Creek Greenway to the Deer Greenway trailhead at the Shrewsbury-Lansdowne Metro station. If you found this video and you're not sure how we got here, use the link above to open that video on the Deer Creek Greenway. The Deer Creek Greenway ends at the Deer Creek Shopping Center at the intersection of Big Bend Boulevard and Oxford Boulevard in Maplewood. About a half of this route is on the street with traffic, so only advanced riders who are comfortable near vehicle traffic should follow this route. I've chosen to take Oxford Boulevard, which gently takes you up this hill. Despite its name, it's more of a street on this section. Google tried to route me a few streets north of here on Greenwood Boulevard. That route is next to a rail line and is likely to be the future site of the Greenway connection. In addition, that area is also part of the Greenwood Historic District, and you'll find a few 100-year-old brick buildings. A Greenway route through here would complement the historic buildings. After crossing two streets, turn right on St. Elmo. For great comfort food, go straight on Manhattan until Piccadilly. On the left, you'll find a place called the Piccadilly at Manhattan. They have been open since 1901 and have amazing pot pies and fried chicken. Coast down the steepest part of the journey and join the shared use path on the corner. You can also turn left here and ride a portion of the Deer Greenway to Francis R. Slay Park. Technically, we are now on the River Deer Greenway. On the right is the River Deer, where Deer Creek flows into it. On this stretch, we have a nice, wide, shared-use trail. Once we cross this street, there are no driveways that cross our greenway. However, there are some small streets to cross, and you'll need to watch out for vehicles in both directions. Follow the Great Rivers Greenway on social media to stay up to date on their projects. Press the like button if you have enjoyed the video, and subscribe to see when new ones are released. Use the link in the description for ways to help the Great Rivers Greenways to complete their visionary project. We will be at our destination once we cross over the River Deer. If you are planning to take the River Deer Greenway, then use this link to watch my video on it. Use this crosswalk to stay on the River Deer Greenway and turn left across Lansdowne Avenue. From there, you can't miss it. Otherwise, this video will take you right to the metro station. And we have arrived. I hope you have enjoyed the trip, and I will see you on the next Greenway.